Our tile brush has a isolated mode that sticks to only the current level it's painting in. Let's look over the code before we run out of time here. So we're going to look at all the 454 deltas. In the top level variables, we've added local tile X and local tile Y to our paired arrays, and we've also added another variable to track the length of the local tile chord array. So we can think of this as triply paired here or triply paired like this. So it's kind of weird. Let's keep going. In the Mermaid function section, in our editor put function, we've added some common code here. So here's a function pointer to rotate the internals of the tile. Here's the lateral span of a level. Here's the max index of an address within the level, getting out the D bit of our XYD flags. And then we're going to load the first point into our paired array. It's just going to be the unaltered point. Down here, this is temporary. We'll remove it later. We're going to load our tile buffers. So we're going to have 4 points in our tile buffer. And you can see that we're just rotating the point, loading it into the next point. Rotating the point, loading it into the next point. Rotating the point, loading it into the next point. And then down here, this is the dense mirroring code. We're going to do that later. And this is an error case if the flag for XYD is neither 0 or 1. Here, we're going to unload the tile buffer. This max index is repurposed now. So the length of our local tile chord array -1 is the maximum index accessor for looping through it. And the local index is going to go 0 to max index, and we're going to unload our tile buffer. So if we go down here, we're going to get the LTX, LTY, and U32, and we're going to shove the LTX and LTY into our coordinate object and load the U32 into this binary tile variable. We're going to convert the local to global, extract GTX and GTY and put it in here, and then we're going to call the unmodified normal tile setting function, the tile boy put that doesn't do any mirroring funny business, with the original tile size, original layer, the modified global tile X and global tile Y, and the modified internals of the binary tile. And that's all we're doing. So some tags, some footnotes, and what we did in this video. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. If you want a longer explanation, go here. You are here. My name's Kanji Coder.